I still can't believe we got stuck in that huge blizzard last week. Can you, Megan?
No, I cannot. And what did you do to your face?
Oh, I got plastic surgery. I didn't really like my nose. So, do you want to watch some TV?
Oh, no thanks. I'm waiting for someone.
Oh, who?
It is none of your fudge nutters, but I shall tell you anyway. It is my sister.
You have a sister? How come I never knew about her?
Oh, she moved to Sweden several years ago to avoid the storm.
What's the storm?
I can't tell you. Llama!
Wait, so your sister's a llama?
No, she's not a llama. Her name is Llama.
Oh.
What are you doing back so early?
Well, I left us several years ago to avoid the storm, but I guess it never happened. Ever since I've been living in a mental institution, they said I was special. Mama, why did they put you in the mental institution? Because they said I could not eat my pet goat or sheep. Oh, that's nice. Oh yes, before I forget, the weird lady who made me get off my comfortable seat said to hurry home. There is a wetness coming from the sky, very harshly winds that could make it go to poop. Okay, I don't know what that means.
OMG! In our country, it means a hurricane is coming to the grocery store!
No! Wait a Megan! Wait for me! Wait, why are we going to the grocery store?
Okay, Llama, this is how we shop in America. We take chicken, dog treats, and other useless crap that we forget to put in the fridge, we stuff it in Kelly's bucket, and then we pay the big potato man big monies, then dump it in the car and fall from 1,000 feet in the air, then plummet into the driveway.
Whoa, big work. We won't do it this time. We just need peas and pop.
Whoa, that's a lot of food you guys got there.
Yes, it is all for my goat, Beyonce. She is pregnant.
Okay, that will be $500, please.
Okay, here you go. And what happened to the big potato guy?
Oh, we filed a restraining order against him.
Oh, cool. Where in the first world can you go? I'm right over here.
Come on. So they had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her.
Cool, let's get to go.
Wait, what happened to your face?
Oh, well, my pet goat, Beyonce, came back from the living and bit off my head like a brutal monster. Because I tried to drink her goat's milk because I was hungry. Wait, guys. Yes? There's only 2 feet.
Wait, I got an idea. OMG, and he forgot to fix the tires again. Whee! Yeah, I like. Oh, look, TV. Oh, my boyfriend.
Here.
Yeah.
Hey, Megan. Whoa, what is going on? It's okay, Llama. They're just having a moment. Let's go get some juice. No, wait. Llama refused. Llama don't like a juice. Llama wants a goat's milk. Okay, come to the kitchen. We got some. Okay.
Yeah.
This just in. There's a Category 4 hurricane coming for Westerville, Ohio. We strongly urge all people to evacuate the area and take shelter immediately.
Guys, we have to get out of here now.
Wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Kitty.
Oh, come get into our car. It's okay. They're coming to the car. Come on. Okay, get in the car. Okay. Whee!
Is that a mermaid? Oh my god!
Ow! You killed my boyfriend!
OMG, I cannot believe you're still submerged in water.
No, duh, really?
You know, I bet Ken forgot to fix this too.
Thank God that was just a dream.
No, it wasn't. We were rescued several weeks ago, Kelly. You've been in a coma ever since. Ha ha!
What? You're kidding.
No, we're lying. Of course we're serious. Are you crazy with the fudge nutters?
Oh.
Yeah, and ever since we've been having a fiesta.
Okay, well, good night.